A new study of the cosmos suggests that some stars have appetites for entire planets, which causes slight differences compared to their more famished counterparts. At least 1 in a dozen stars show evidence of planetary ingestion, according to a paper published in the journal Nature. The international research team studied twin stars that should have identical composition, but in about 8% of cases they differ, perplexing astronomers. The team, led by Astro 3D researchers, has found that the difference is due to one of the twins devouring planets or planetary material. The researchers in the study looked at co-moving stars that appear to be identical twins, but upon closer observation contain slight differences. One possibility could be that these differences occurred during the birth of these stars, as they accumulated material from their surrounding disks. Researchers believe the differences exist because one star ingested planets. If correct, the researchers said this would change our understanding of planetary systems. The research focused on 91 pairs of twin stars, which had a shared origin and a well-defined selection function. The team claims to have identified at least 7 instances of planetary ingestion from this batch of twin stars. Stars are able to ingest planets when certain gravitational interactions cause the planets to be pulled very close to the star. After this point, the force of the star's gravity leads to the planet being dragged in and ingested, which can influence the star's composition. Scientists said that stars consist mostly of hydrogen and helium. They also contain all other elements like iron, silicate, magnesium, oxygen, and carbon, which are the materials that form terrestrial planets like our own Earth. However, detailed new high-precision observations of these stars have revealed small compositional differences between co-moving pairs, indicating that another effect is at play. The theory that the differences between these twin stars are likely to come from their birth, as the observed stars evolved for billions of years after that period, which would have wiped out those differences. It seems more likely that one of the components of the co-moving pair ingested planets, giving important constraints on the stability of planetary systems around stars. The researchers said these results could explain more about planet formation and provide new insights into the long-term evolution of planetary systems. The findings have been made possible thanks to a large dataset collected with the 6 meters Magellan telescope and the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope, both in Chile, and the 10-meter Keck telescope in Hawaii, United States. Researchers looked at twin stars traveling together. They are born of the same molecular clouds and so should be identical. Thanks to this very high precision analysis, we can see chemical differences between the twins. This provides very strong evidence that one of the stars has swallowed planets or planetary material and changed its composition. The phenomenon appeared in about 8% of the 91 pairs of twin stars that the team looked at. What makes this study compelling is that the stars were in their prime of life, so-called main sequence stars, rather than stars in their final phases such as red giants. This is different from previous studies where late-stage stars can engulf nearby planets when the star becomes a very giant ball. There is some room for doubt as to whether the stars are swallowing planets whole or engulfing protoplanetary material, but both are possible. It's complicated. The ingestion of the whole planet is favored scenario, but of course, scientists can also not rule out that these stars have ingested a lot of material from a protoplanetary disk. The findings have wide-ranging implications for the study of the long-term evolution of planetary systems. Astronomers used to believe that these kinds of events were not possible. But from the observations in this study, researchers can see that, while the occurrence is not high, it is actually possible. This study opens a new window for planet evolution theorists to study. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed our videos, subscribe to our channel for there's more to come.